So Tim, what'd you do to stop the water coming from the neighbor's property onto you guys' property? Well, 8 o'clock this morning, I was out here on a tractor digging a trench. How do you think my trench is working? I just had to come shore this up, but it's still overflowing. Look at that. So we have the weak spots, and we'll figure that out tomorrow when we come back out. But once we get those spots squared away, it is catching most of it. We just have to dig it deeper, and then we won't have it breaking through on those edges. But good Lord, we've cut most of it. Here it is coming in from the neighbor's property downhill, and it's all going into my 5-6 hour old trench. Yeah, it's caught a lot of water. Since I've created a new river, I think it's only fair that I should get to name it the Timbonian River. How about that? The Timbonian Runoff River. Now most of that is coming across here, but what I can't catch at top is coming through a little bit, but it used to just absolutely flow across there. But the Timbonian River, and here's where I have redirected it away from the greenhouse and away from the root cellar. And look at that. So now that I hit really hard ground once I dug this, but now I can come out tomorrow morning when it's clear out and I can dig it even deeper. But Jesus Christ, excuse my language, that is a lot of water to catch, redirect around the property, and then have it release out into the back of the pasture. It gets us off the higher ground and redirects it all down here into our pasture. And since I stopped right there, it's not like I take it up to the property line and the neighbors are going, "Hey, fucker." But our neighbors up above us aren't doing a damn thing to stop the water coming through their property because they're worried about us. So we're just doing the best to get along here. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is a lot of water. Tomorrow I'll just make it deeper, shore up where it's leaking through, and I think it'll work.